Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitch portrait effect. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is select the object selection tool and select our model. When I made the selection, I can press Command J or Control J on PC to duplicate the layer. We can delete the beneath layer, and I'm going to duplicate this layer as well. I'm going to make the top one invisible, select the bottom one, go to Adjustments, and select black and white. Right click our new layer, create clipping mask, and holding shift I'm going to select the both layers, right click and convert to smart object. Now let's make the first layer visible just for a second. Grab the both layers, press Command T or Control T to transform it, and make sure that it's on the center of the canvas. We can make the top layer invisible again. Select the black and white layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select 9 pixels, press OK. Go to File, Save As, and let's name it as Displacement Map. Let's hide the Gaussian blur, go to Adjustment Layers, Solid Color, and make sure it's white. Drag it below our two layers. Now unhide the top layer, go to Filter, Distort, and Wave. For the wave settings, make sure to copy the settings you see on the screen. When you copy the settings you see here, you can play around with the number of generations and the wavelength. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to press OK. Right click the top layer and create clipping mask. And now I'm going to drag it to the right, that it borders closely with the bottom layer. Put the blending mode as luminosity, go to FX, and select drop shadow. Put the blend mode as multiply, the opacity to 100, angle to 30 degrees, distance to 0, spread to 0, size to 75, and press OK. Now create a mask, make sure your foreground color is set to black, and now by coloring in your picture you can remove parts of the image that you don't want. Now select our top layer, go to Filter, Distort, Displace, and choose the displacement map we chose earlier. Now by holding Shift, I'm going to select all the layers I have, press Command J or Control J on PC to duplicate them, right click and convert them to a smart object. Then I'll go to Filter, Distort, Wave, copy the settings you see on the screen, and then feel free to play around with the number of generations and the wavelength. And then when you're happy, press OK. Create a clipping mask of the new layer and put the opacity to 15%. Now I'm going to insert this picture of these lines, rotate it, and make it bigger so it fits our model. Select OK. Right click, create clipping mask, go to Filter, Distort, Displace, and choose our old displacement map. Now go to blending modes and put soft light and put the opacity to around 10%. And now by holding Shift, I'm going to select all these layers again, Command J to duplicate them, right click and convert to smart object, go to FX, blending options. In the channel section I'm going to untick the green and blue one. Now if I move this picture a little bit, as you can see we get the glitch effect. Now I'm going to duplicate it again, go to Filter, Pixelate, Crystallize, and I'm going to crystallize it. Let's duplicate it again, go to Filter, Pixelate, and go to Color Halftone. Let's turn the opacity down to 10%. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.